Description: Texturizing sea salt spray for a beachy wave look. This texturizing spray with natural sea salts gives you full, tousled texture. Moringa seed extract adds moisture and curl retention. Use on wet or dry hair. Benefits: natural sea salt creates beach-like texture. Suggested use: mist 6 to 8 inches away from damp or dry hair. Scrunch with hands. Air dry or diffuse. No bad stuff, just good results. The American-made line contains over 45 versatile and cruelty-free products made without parabens, sodium chloride, sulfates, harsh chemicals and residues. 3.5+ million bottles. So good, the OG product 7 seconds Detangler is still a staple since making its debut 17 years ago. To date, the Detangler, conditioner, and UV Plus protectant hybrid has sold 3.5 million bottles, and counting. Top reviews from the United States. Smells and feels exactly like beach hair. I was so pleasantly surprised by this stuff. It smells so much like the beach, sand, salt, even a hint of sunscreen. It also makes my hair feel and look exactly like it does after a long beach day, and I have thick hair. Will definitely be using this regularly.